Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this crochet hourglass top. I use around 6 skeins of bamboo yarn from Yarn Art and a 3mm hook. So the top consists of 2 of these panels, and right now I'm going to show you how to make them. So first start with a slip knot and then chain half the size of your waist. For me that was 55 chains. When you have your chains, do 2 more and then do a half double crochet into the third stitch. Then keep on doing them until the end of your row. When you're at the end of your row, you just chain 1, turn your work, then skip that 1 chain you just made and continue on doing half double crochets in each stitch across the row. I did 29 rows of half double crochets, 30 if you count the chain row, and this is going to be the waist part of your top, so if you want to make it longer, just do more rows. So when you have that first part of the panel done, you just do 1 more chain, then cut off your yarn and pull it tight. That is going to make a knot and secure the project. Now we're going to start with a slip knot, and we're going to make chains. These chains are going to be responsible for how long your sleeve is going to be. I ended up doing 40 chains. When you have your chains, you're going to start single crocheting into that part of the panel that you made before. And when you have finished doing a single crochet in each stitch, you're going to do 40 more chains. And when you have your chains done, you're going to do 2 more, and then turn kind of like to the back side and start doing half double crochets across the whole row. When you have that done, you just chain 1, turn your work, and keep on doing half double crochets until you have your desired length. When you have both of your panels done, we're going to start attaching them together. And here on the screen you can see the places we're going to have to do that. Make sure that when you're attaching both of the panels together, you're working on the wrong side. So after you finish, you're going to flip it out and that will be the good side. I started with inserting my hook into the bottom side stitches of each panel, and then I already had a slip knot made and I pulled that through. Then I just did 1 chain, and now we're going to start stitching together. So you place your hook into the same stitch on each panel. And now you have both those stitches on your hook. And then you just pull through a slip stitch. And here's a close-up of that same process, just so you can actually see what's going on. And here you can see how this looks. So this is the wrong side, and when we're going to flip it at the end, this is how it's going to look. And as you can see, I'm finished with one side of the waist. Now I'm not going to change my yarn, I'm just going to keep going and do the sleeve. And when I finished the sleeve, I just did 1 chain, cut off my yarn, and pulled it tight to fasten off. Here you can see how I like to leave in my ends. You can basically go in any stitch, but this is just me showing how I like to do it. And here you can see that I already have stitched together the top part of the sleeve, And instead of the 40 stitches that the sleeve is, I did 50 so the neck hole wouldn't be so big. Now just fasten off like we did before. Repeat this on the other side. Don't forget to weave in your ends and turn this top inside out, and then you're done. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.